Welcome back. Your weekly sight words. I am your teacher, Miss Thee. Welcome back. I will be teaching another lesson on weekly sight words. Are you guys ready? Let's go get started. Listen to the sight word with Miss Thee. At. Can you say at? Am. Can you say am? In. Can you say in? We. Can you say we? See. Say see with me. Now, we're about to put all of the words in a sentence. Are you ready? I am at home. I am 5. How old are you? I am in the bed. We see a bug. I see a dog. Now, let's see if you can name all the sight words. Are you ready? At, am, in, we, see. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye, guys.